making her bathing suit darker. Her shoulder blade. Lightening up her arm a little here. I noticed, like, when I look at my whole drawing, like, we're almost done. I'm really almost done here. When I look at, when I look at the whole drawing, underneath her left arm, looks like it's too dark compared to the rest of her skin. And I really like how everything else looks. So even though it is darker in the picture, I'm going to lighten it up because I just feel like it's a little too dark. Maybe I'll keep her hand down here dark, but I need to lighten this a bit. So I'm just softly erasing over this. And that's all I'm gonna do with that. Some lighter skin on her shoulder. Some dark under here. Get those dark trees in there. My shoulders hurt. All right, then this part, this bathing suit needs to be darker here. Okay, then I'm gonna get the paper so I can blend that skin on her back better. I need a clean paper because I don't wanna, I'm gonna blend the lights in and I don't wanna make them too dark. There. All right. All right, then I'm gonna make the bathing suit a little darker on her right shoulder, just so it really pops out against the skin. It's got to be darker than the skin, or else it looks like she's topless and has polka dots on her back. And my child is not polka dotted. She's not. Although that might be fun. Okay. So there's the top of the bathing suit. I feel like that's done. Maybe I should do, you know what, this edge needs to be defined. The edge of the bathing suit. All right, what else can I work on? Darken that skin a little bit. What about the bottom of her bathing suit? Let's darken the underneath bottom, going around the dots. Remember the creases I told you about? And then it gets really dark up here. Another crease. And all right. When I zoom in, her skin looks really rough, but it's so much smoother. This camera is like I think, sharpening it more than it really is. All right. I feel like I'm done. Let me just do something with these ropes. I'm just going to do, this is all I'm doing. I mean, this is what I'm doing to the ropes. I'm just making swirly knot marks. Just on the bottom half. And then the other rope, I'm just going to fill it in a little darker. I'm using the 2B, I'm just going soft over that. All right, I feel like I'm done. So now comes the part where I sign it. And once I sign it, I will not work on it anymore. So I want to really make sure I'm done. Okay, this dock needs to be darker here. I'm just, you know, backing up and taking one more look at it before I sign away on it. I should do something on these ropes. I'm just doing dark underneath. All right, I didn't do the crab cage. Should I attempt the crab cage? I really should. All right, I'm gonna try to quickly do the crab cage. The good thing is it's darker than the dock, so it's on this board, and it just looks like I have a shape like this. Like I'm just doing the outline of the box. It's like a cube, right? Oh, it actually goes up to the corner of the dock. I made it smaller than it should be. That's okay. Then we have the other. And it's a crookedy old crab cage, isn't it? It's part of the charm is that it's so not perfect. Okay, so this is, I'm using a 2B right now, and it's a grid. You know what I need to do? First of all, I should have been using the 3H in case I needed to erase, because these lines are going to be really hard to erase now. Looking at it better, I see that these go way up higher. Like that. And I don't know that I'll be able to erase that. Okay, so it's more like that. And I'll use my blackest 8B if I can find it. You know what? I'm going to go with my black pencil for this. And I have to sharpen it because these wires, it's just wires and they're very thin. Okay, this is my blackest, darkest, blackest thing. Okay, and then the grid on top. And it has the same grid on the bottom. The sides are pretty open. And then the front of the cage is here, and that's gridded as well. All right. All right, that's it. That's all I got. Now I got to sign my name. See, I can't erase these lines. Oh, I'm so sad. All right. I'm going to make the board cracks go through that because they do. They do go through that. Goes right through that. All right. A little shadowing under the crab cage. Okay, that's it. I'm signing my name. I'm done. Done, done, done. I'm going to sharpen it so the pencil's very fine. I think I'm going to sign it right here. I usually sign it up a little higher in case I get like a different size of it that might be cropped a little bit. And there it is. Hope you really like doing this drawing with me, and I'll see if I can find a way for you to upload it so I could see what you ended up with. And if there's any questions you have along the way while you're drawing this, like write it in the comments. If you have an idea for the next drawing we could do together, put that in my comments. All right. Thanks for joining me, and please subscribe so you can follow along with some other drawings.